All right, keep the RPM steady on the first pass. Got it. Watch the hydraulics on the left side.
Water sprays continuously as the brushes remove even the most stubborn residue, ensuring a high-quality product. The optical sorter processes sweet potatoes at high speed, utilizing advanced sensors and rapid scanning lights to
The wax provides a perfect natural sheen, ensuring quality for shipment. The automated system rapidly fills the mesh bags to a precise weight before the workers transfer them to the conveyor.
Okay, bring that up to row 42, level 6. Copy that. Confirming placement.
Watch your left side.
Okay, set it down easy.
We need another runner over here.
We need that last pallet secured in bay 3. All right, almost done here. Get the paperwork from character B. Watch your clearance on the right side there. Got it.
20 cases of sweet potatoes confirmed. Sign here.